is Frankie McDonald, my own TV station, live from Sydney, Nova Scotia. Heavy rain is headed towards Los Angeles, California on Friday, March 10th, 2023. It's going to bring a lot of rain in greater Los Angeles, California, and the surrounding areas, including Burbank, California, Hollywood, California, Long Beach, California, Anaheim, California, Corona, California, Victorville, California, Orange County, California. It's going to bring a lot of rain in Los Angeles and the surrounding areas as well. It's going to bring a lot of rain. There will be a lot of puddles on the streets, and streets, roads, highways, and freeways will be wet in Los Angeles, Long Beach, Burbank, Hollywood, Anaheim, including Victorville, California, Orange County, California, Corona, California. Friday will not be a good day to head to the beach and go swimming in Los Angeles and the surrounding areas as well. People in Los Angeles, California, be prepared. Have your rubber boots ready. Have your raincoats ready. Have your rain suits ready. When you go for a walk, wear your rain gear, wear your rubber boots, wear your raincoats to keep it dry. Don't drive through the puddles. Avoid the puddles or drive the car when you go for a walk. Don't walk through the puddles for Los Angeles, because a lot of rain is happening on Friday, March 10th, 2023. If anybody live in Los Angeles, California, be prepared for heavy rain on Friday, March 10th, 2023. Take care and stay safe. Don't get caught in the heavy rain. Stay dry, be safe.